There are many benefits that homeowners can enjoy when they install replacement windows in their Amarillo homes. Replacement windows will upgrade your home's beauty from the inside to out. While old, worn-down windows may be an eyesore, new replacement windows come in a variety of styles that can enhance your home's aesthetic. But replacement windows aren't just beautiful, they're functional too. Installing the best replacement windows can make your home in Potter County and Randall County more energy efficient. This means that your home will be more comfortable through the seasons, and you may even save money on your energy bills. The benefits don't stop there. Replacement windows are also easier for homeowners to maintain. Older windows may require costly repairs or regular cleaning. Replacement windows are durable and designed to maintain their beauty for decades. You can also rely on a window replacement service to make your home more secure. New windows come with enhanced security, so you can go to bed knowing your home and the people within are safe at all times. Are you considering installing replacement windows in your Amarillo home? Call Amarillo Solar Shade today to get your free quote.